A lot of women, like I said before, will say things like, I used to be able to eat carbs, or I used to be able to eat tomatoes or whatever food, and now I can no longer eat them in perimenopause and menopause. Part of that is due to the changing function of your metabolism because you are losing muscle. So muscle is the primary site for glucose uptake. So glucose is just the breakdown. So if you have a carbohydrate, it breaks down into glucose, which a lot of people will call sugar. Because there's so much muscle by weight in the body, it is the biggest organ to sort of sop up extra glucose. If you have carbohydrates, it'll kind of sop it up. It's also the primary site for fat as well, fat utilization. A lot of women in perimenopause will, if they're getting their labs done, will notice that their lab markers, especially their fat, their fat markers. So their cholesterol, their triglycerides, their LDL-C, LDL-P, HDL markers, all those things start to change. And again, part of that is because we're losing muscle. And so the more muscle you have, the better your metabolism is. The more insulin sensitive you will be, meaning that you will be very efficient at using carbohydrates, and therefore you don't need to expend a lot of insulin.